Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a quick, easy, and simple meal, kind of like a 30-minute meal. So we're gonna do some manwich and fries, and here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have ground beef right here. I have bell peppers, 1 onion, manwich sauce, hot sauce, garlic powder, and onion powder, black pepper, and salt. And if you're new to the channel and you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Okay crew, so I have my hamburger meat in the pot, and we're gonna season it with salt first, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And here go my kicker that I always add to my hamburger meat. Hot sauce. Yes indeed. It just does something to the hamburger meat. I don't know what it is, but it adds a little extra flavor. Also, it smells good already. Let us know how y'all doing in the comment section below. Let us know how the kids doing, getting back into the school flow. I'm gonna let this brown because I'm sure everybody knows how to brown hamburger meat, and once I brown it and drain it, I'll bring you guys back. Alright crew, so I got the hamburger meat draining, and right here I have onion, red, green, yellow, and orange bell pepper. It's a half an onion. And just so that our vegetables sweat out the moisture that's in there, we're gonna add a little salt. And that's it. And I left a little bit of the pan drippings from the hamburger meat in the pot, so I don't have to add no kind of fat or oil to the pot when I put the vegetables in there. So since I got them chopped up really thin, they're not gonna take long to kind of cook down. So we just want to kind of cook them down just a little bit. Man, look at that. That's pretty, just the colors itself. We're gonna allow these to sweat down about another minute. Then we're gonna add our meat back to the pot. Alright, so it's been a minute, and the aroma of this smells so good. Okay, so our meat back in here. We're gonna get us a good mix and get our peppers and onions all throughout the meat. And when y'all cook, it's all about building flavors. whatever flavor profile you like, build that flavor profile within your food. And this right here, like I said, quick, easy, and simple. It's a quick meal that you can fix for the kids before they get home from school. Less than 30-minute meal. And it don't take a lot. Just brown your meat, add your sauce, whatever extra flavor you want to add to it. That's it. Let it cook. If you want to toast your buns, toast your buns. Do some fries, whatever you want to do. But we're going to toast our buns and we're going to do some fries with this. So we're going to have manwich and fries. So here I have the manwich sauce. And we use the original and the thick and chunky. You gotta have it chunky. Okay, so that's that. So I have 1 tablespoon of white sugar here to cut the acidity down. We're gonna go in with a tablespoon of mustard. We're gonna allow this to simmer on a medium-low heat. Top, bam.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Okay, crew, so the queen made some bread pudding, and I tell y'all, it turned out amazing. It was so good, and the family loved it. And hopefully I can get her to make one for a video for y'all, so y'all can see how she do it and see the whole process. Okay, crew, so here's the finished look of simple and easy manwich, less than 30 minutes to prepare. And we have our fries here. Thank y'all for watching the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like the videos and comment on the videos. And y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.